Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels, and I'm kind of embarrassed to say that Keith and I have been to London about 5 times, and we have never visited Borough Market until today. Let me quickly show you on Google Maps where it's located. Borough Market is located not too far from the Tower Bridge. Getting there by tube, you're looking at getting off at the London Bridge station. If you're walking around town and looking for landmarks, it's located in the area of the Shard Building. One of the things that inspired us to come to Borough Market was a recent episode of Somebody Feed Phil on Netflix, where Phil and his wife come to the market for a toastie at Capacasing Dairy. And the line was full of people who were here for the same reason. Let me just say the toastie did not disappoint. It's well worth it. The toastie is made with a combination of Montgomery cheddar, Ogleshield, London raclette, and Comté cheese, as well as onions and leeks, and they're sandwiched between slices of sourdough. It was amazing. We had ours cut in half and shared it. There's just so much food to try at this market. Borough Market is open 7 days a week from 10 to 5 Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 on Saturdays, and 10 to 3 on Sundays. If you're coming here to check it out, plan to spend 2 to 4 hours to see everything, depending on the time of year and what day of the week you're visiting. One thing we noticed was that not all the stalls were open. We were there on a Thursday, more stalls are open on Friday, and it's less busy than on Saturday, but on Saturday, all the stalls are open. If you're going on a Saturday, try to get there early, like before 10:30 in the morning or after 3, when the crowds will thin out a little bit, but keeping in mind that the shops will start to close around 4 to 4:30. This market has been around since the 1200s. It is really old and has so much history. If you're interested in its timeline, I'll add a link below in the description. There are more than 100 stalls, stands, restaurants, bars, and shops to peruse through. One thing we noticed was that the people working in the stalls and the shops were very knowledgeable and passionate about their products. Borough Market is not only a food market, although that's what it's known best for. There are several shops ranging from skincare to kitchen tools and tableware, gardening, ceramics, and there's even a barber shop. It's time for us to sit and have a coffee. Monmouth Coffee came highly recommended, so we thought we'd give it a try. They're known for roasting coffee from single farms, estates, and cooperatives. They have coffee from around the world, and I counted 14 different varieties from Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Kenya, Ethiopia, Guatemala, and Bolivia. As of March 1st, they've stopped using single-use disposable hot drink cups. Instead, they offer a reusable rent-a-cup. You pay a £5 deposit, and if you return the cup, the lid, and the stopper, you get your deposit back. Or you can just keep the cup, bring it back, and they'll make you a coffee in a fresh, clean cup that you can use again and take with you. We had ours to stay, so we didn't need a rent-a-cup. This coffee shop has quite an interesting story. I'll add a link to their website below in the description. Their store also had lots of merchandise. If you want to pick up a souvenir to take home, you'll find them on the corner of Stony Street and Park Street. Back into the market we go. You're going to find some of the most unique fruit on the planet. Everywhere you turn in this market, it's a beautiful display of something you just need to try. Check out these chocolate dipped strawberries. You just literally put your strawberry cup under the chocolate fountain and fill it up. So crazy. I feel like if there's anything unique or hard to find elsewhere, you're going to find it here. Borough Market really does offer the best of the best. Check out this mushroom risotto display. It just blew us away and it tasted amazing. Look at all the detail they've created on the side of this dish. It's just so beautiful and tasted amazing. The market hosts events both online and at the market, things like cooking demonstrations, interviews, and masterclasses that you might want to check out. They also have an extensive recipe selection on their website, and you can filter through them by season, dietary needs, or something for a special occasion. You can even search for a recipe by ingredient. So if you buy something unusual, you'll likely find a way of using it here, and I'll add a link below for that as well. I hope you enjoyed our trip to Borough Market here in London, England. It's something we will never forget, and it most definitely won't be the last time we visit. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up if I was able to help you out or answer any questions you had about the market. I have a great video coming up about another amazing food location in London that you simply can't miss, and that's the food hall at Harrods department store. It's incredible. We visit it every single time we come to London, and I'll show you why. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video today. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from, and please consider becoming one of my subscribers so you won't miss out on seeing any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I'll see you again soon.